Max Money Tribe, what's going on? I had to get to it early, get it to you early. It's your boy Alvin, and we got some major news, some major updates. A short squeeze play that I had talked about many of times, but I forgot about this huge news coming up. Like, how could I forget? So I'm going to break that to you right now with an article. Also want to talk about our plays that we mentioned just last night and the Chinese stocks and what's going on with those, because I did jump into Neo Chinese stock, and I want to inform you before you make that decision, because I'm not your financial advisor. So I'm letting you know my plays and how I plan on playing it. So first things first, let's get down to Neo. Neo is currently down even more, 55 cents. I bought it at 38.29. I will buy again when it hits the 36.50 range, $36 range. That's when I look to plan to average in some more. If it doesn't reach there, then oh well, let's ride it up, baby. But I like Neo long term. Now, what's happening with these stocks, and along with Tencent, China stocks, stuff like that right now, is they're cracking down or trying to figure out what type of rules to put in place on some of these stocks. So it's news that's already been talked about before, and it's coming back up as FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But stocks like Neo aren't going anywhere. Now, some of those smaller ones in the article, it also mentioned how they want to crack down on video game miners viewing video games. So that's more towards Tencent and some of those gaming ones. But Neo, baby, we're trying to save the world one electric vehicle car at a time, and China is a major player in the EV game with their own Neo. So it ain't going nowhere. Right now, people don't know, they don't understand it, so it's dropping down. But I will myself be buying more around that $36 range. Let's hope it don't reach there, right? Okay, now I want to jump back into the plays from yesterday. We talked about VIH. I got a VIH call. It's super cheap. It's $28. So, oh well, you know what I mean? We have all the way until September 17th. And if you ever have any questions on these, reach out in the comments, reach out to me, and I will get back to you and let you know exactly what's going on. So at one point this week, this call was up to about $128. So that's $100 potential right there. But let's get into the details of it. I always check delta 0.23 and theta is 0.04. Great numbers. I love those numbers. Now, volume and open interest is your next numbers. Volume 13,000. I'll buy that every single time. Open interest 23,000. Love that number. You don't want nothing really low like 50 or 100 or 200 really. Some chances you can take those, but right now you want the bigger volumes. It's not bad. But let's get down. VIH at one point was up at 10.99 this morning. I was up and I saw it myself. It was at 10.99. VIH, I meant VPC Impact. We had talked about this as being a short squeeze potential, the next one to go off. Now, within the past, let's go 3 months or even just a month, it was up to about 11.80. And also the 52-week high is 22.56. So that's huge right there. So VIH is still there. Catapult, KPLT, we talked about it last night as well. This one, I just want you to keep your eye on. I'm hoping it goes crazy, but because it's been slept on a little bit. But when you sleep on them, they seem to come alive a little bit. So be careful. Now the one that I had broke the news on, the one I want to talk about right now. Sprt.com, baby. How could I forget? Watch this article I got for you. So Sprt.com, SPRT, baby, $24.60 right now. Now, just a week ago, we were up to highs of $59.69. You can see right here on this crappy chart, $53.59. It was even higher than that. Trust me when I say that I want to try to get an option or something that if I can on Sprt.com. I might even buy some shares, like 8 shares, 10 shares, just to kind of ride it out, double my money. But here's why. September 10th. How could I forget? Dear SPRT stock fans, a big catalyst is coming, right? September 10th marks an important day for shareholders Customer support company has spent months procuring a merger with Green Ridge Generation Holdings, a privately held company with holdings in both power generation and blockchain services. In just 2 days, shareholders will be asked to vote on the deal. So if this deal goes through and needs 50% compliance, it's a catalyst that's coming up. So people will be watching that deal. They will be watching that deal to see what's going on, what's really going to happen with SPRT. So huge news there, man. Huge news there. And this could even just, you know how you like buy, it's not even a rumor. So you buy the rumor, sell the news. This could be one of those run-ups just because of the news is so close. Today, if you didn't know, is the 9th, baby. Thursday, September 9th. So that means I personally, this is what I'm thinking. This is what I'm thinking will happen. It's going to run up a little bit today, but right towards the end of the day, I expect it to maybe make a jump, like a real good jump, or either it opens up real high tomorrow. That's what I'm thinking. But SPRT is back on the radar, better than ever. I would even put it as the top play of the day. That's what I'm telling you right now. So Max Money Tribe, let's eat. Please hit that subscribe button if you can use this information in any way, and hit the thumbs up because that works a lot of wonders for the YouTube analytics. Guys, I need you so I can go live at about 1,000 and we can do these trades live, because last week when I went all in on BBIG, it went crazy. I made 2,000 off those options and I just couldn't go live to show you it, my thinking process and why I was about to do it. So I'm sorry about that, but hopefully we can grow the channel quickly. We just started it. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Let's eat off the market. If you see red today, you got that capital on the side. Let's use it wisely and get in those positions we've been waiting on. Not those ones we've been missing out on or fear of missing out on. Get in on those plays you've been waiting patiently on. That's me with Neo. I've been wanting some of that, so I'm getting in on it. So I appreciate you guys. I'll see you later on today. Y'all have a good one.